Hello.
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 Welcome everybody. Welcome to Scott Tyndall's Home Shop. Tonight, Sunday night, here in the inside shop. Yes, the little lady's over there in the background. She's still running. Just used her the other day. Tara uses her, but she doesn't use her quite as much as I'd like for her to. But anyway, you know, girls lose interest and she'll get interest back in it again. She says not to sell her tools. Alright, this is a quick announcement video. Don't forget the hats. And I'm working on getting some camouflage hats with the orange stitching on it. And so it'll be the logo with the orange stitching. And these are, my neighbor makes them for me. She does embroidering and stuff like that. So if you want a hat, just let me know. And you can send that money to www.paypal.me/KJ4BIZ. But also, we have a new item today. I've relaunched the t-shirts. And the t-shirts are... It's at www.storefrontier.com/Lisa N. Scott. LISANSCOTT, all lowercase. Storefrontier.com/Lisa N. Scott. I have hoodies up to 2X. That's as large as I could select. And I have t-shirts up to 5X. In the hoodies, we have gray, navy, looks like navy blue, and maroon. And in the t-shirts, we have navy blue, gray, and I think brown or black. I can't see. It's not real clear. It's a little dots as big as my finger from way back here, and that's how big it is. All right, so I will post the links down in the little doobly-doo down in the bottom. Don't forget to check it out. And if you want a hat, let me know. You just have to send me the money to my PayPal, and then when I receive the money, I'll text my neighbor next door to make a hat. She'll make it. And I have two right now. Actually, I have one for sale. This one goes to Keith Spinner. And this one's the only one I have left right now. Unless you want the one that's on my head. So, there you go. Alright. Now, we're going to turn around and show you. I don't have a shirt. So, give me a minute. Then I'll turn the light off so that way I don't glare on the screen. And then I'll show you what the shirts look and the hoodies look like. Go. Gray. Alright, and then the hoodies. Not sure why they don't go up any bigger than that. There's your hoodies. Now, if you want one, you go to storefrontier.com/Lisa N. Scott, LISANSCOTT, and you have to select the drop down to select the hoodie or select the t-shirt, and then you add to cart, place your order like you would anything online. Get your shirt today.